In the field of statistics and machine learning, it doesn't matter what you're trying to predict. Your success ultimately depends on the quality of the data you have. This applies to more sophisticated systems like AI chatbots as well. Not too long ago, as long as the data quality was acceptable on a common sense level, people would use it because performance could be easily improved by scaling up the data in model size. But now, with the entire internet already trained on and companies like Nvidia sitting at a $3.5 trillion market cap, researchers have become more selective in curating data as performance improvements have stopped increasing exponentially. So far, there has been a lot of good research around data curation. For example, a paper titled Emergent Properties with repeated examples showed that multiple smaller datasets can be more effective than a single large dataset, even if the latter has more unique data. More specifically, they suggest you cannot just dump new data into a model all at once. You have to train the AI model using multiple small datasets while interleaving new and old data. Massive datasets can overwhelm the model and hit a wall on its performance. The model needs time to fully capture the pattern before it can effectively learn new patterns, which is somewhat similar to grokking, where the model overfits to the point that its performance suddenly improves as if something within the model has clicked into place. The main point here is that we should focus more on how we can make AI learn effectively rather than how much data we can provide for it to learn. A prime example of how we are currently making AI learn is instruction tuning, where we train large language models LLMs in dialogue formats to have them become AI chatbots. To make LLMs even more robust, synthetic data is heavily used to create formatted data, helping an LLM get accustomed to specific formats or protocols. However, using synthetic data in training also makes the models more artificial than intelligent. A paper called A Tale of Tales, Model Collapse is a change of scaling loss pointed out that the huge influx of synthetic data used for training can disrupt the scaling loss relied on to predict the quality of the resulting model. This may be because synthetic data is generally flawed. Human written data has a heavy tail distribution, meaning that besides common words like and, a, or the, there's a long tail of unusual and unique words that are crucial for depth and complexity. Synthetic data lacks this diversity, making the model akin to learning English through short, simplified content on platforms like TikTok. While this might help with concise communication, it hampers the model's ability to produce rich, complex content like video essays or novels.